How to become a successful Twitch streamer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can become a successful Twitch streamer. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, becoming a successful Twitch streamer depends upon many things over here. Always make sure and start by defining your target audience for a particular game and tailoring your content to their interest. Make sure to identify your unique value proposition and focus on showcasing it consistently. Interact with your viewers both during and between streams to develop personal connections. Encourage them to follow and share your content with others. And there are so many other tips. It also really depends upon your own personality as to what kind of person you are, what kind of content that you are offering. And there are so many things that you can do. You can also choose to stand out from the crowd because this is really essential. You have to develop your own personal brand that reflects your unique style. You can also create engaging content because even though gaming is the foundation of your streams, expanding your content beyond gameplay can significantly enhance viewer engagement. Experiment with different formats such as commentary, challenges, collaborations, or live events. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you in the next video.